Okay, let's continue. As you can see here, I have already changed all the titles into appropriate headings. Now we're going to continue with inserting captions. As you can see, for example, in this title, model 1 H4 one page caption models. Now this means that I'm going to insert a caption. Caption is actually the small titles that are usually under or below or on the upper side of pictures, tables, figures, and so on. Now the caption can be found on the reference menu on the captions ribbon, right? So this is a caption. See, under a picture you can see a small title there. Now to insert the caption, right, first I'm going to put a new paragraph here, right? For example, this is going to be a model, yeah? A picture of a model, and reference, insert caption. Now it is stated that the label is going to be a model, and I cannot find a model label here, so I'm going to have to create my own. New label, model. Okay, now it will automatically state model 1, right? Model 1, let's type in the title, model 1, model just say alternative model 1, and okay. See, this is a caption, right? And I can do also for the other models here or figures. The label figures are actually already available.